How should I prepare for data interpretation?
Super. So super question. See, I like DI because it's to me it is the most non-flare section in this exam. And so then some guys who are naturally good at quant. They've done lots of quant in their life. They prepared for really tough exams and they have this aptitude. They can pick patterns. And some guys are naturally good at verbal. Okay? If you don't have either of these strengths, then DI is your territory. DI is like, to give an analogy, it's like fielding in cricket. If a bunch of kids are playing, the one who practices the most for fielding is going to be better. Natural aptitude plays a role, but practice can bridge the gap a lot more than it can for even quant and verbal. Okay? So DI is 70% about drill and 30% about street smarts. And you need to know which question to pick. You need to know which one to skip. You need to know how to not get sucked into the really heavy calculation. All of those tricks you will pick up. But the big problem that at least I feel that people have now vis-a-vis even 10-15 years ago is this stamina issue. You get tired when you're doing calculation after calculation after calculation, and the fatigue makes you make errors. You approximate when you shouldn't, and you calculate when you are better off approximating. And all those decision making things are because you're not tuned to trying DI. Right? DI is lots about practice. Do that, and don't practice DIs in tiny chunks. And because the DI fatigue will be combated only when you say, I'm going to take 7 sets of DI. If it takes me 1 hour 15 minutes, it takes me 1 hour 15 minutes. I will not get tired. If I have to do 33 into 11 by 9.63, I will compute it. I will mark the right choice and not take the easy way of approximating and taking a chance. None of that. So build yourself mentally to have that stamina, that intensity for DI, because that really matters. DI is the one bit which, even better than quant, you can be confident of your answers. If you have to multiply and divide, so be it. One, you have to conquer that mental barrier to doing it. Retain the intensity while doing DI back to back. Practice pays off massively in DI, so keep that in mind.